Good morning, dear students. Last topic of this lesson, and the topic name is microbes behaving as biofertilizers. What is a fertilizer? Any chemical that can capable of enriching the soil with nutrients. Suppose if you take chemical fertilizers are the fertilizers which are already has been prepared manually, and if you go to any fertilizer shop, they'll give you the already prepared chemicals so that we can apply it to the farms. Biofertilizers are different. These biofertilizers are the organisms like microorganisms which can capable of enriching the soil biologically. Okay, so how these microbes help in the enriching of the soil with um, very good nutrients so that plant can grow by receiving them. So here are certain microbes increasing nutrient. I already said in the previous lesson in biocontrol agents where I said that microbes use for killing the pests which are unwanted given agriculture farm. But here remember, microbes are not used for but help enriching the soil with nutrients so that plants can grow. Some of the examples given. You probably know biome is one of the symbiotic where full of atmosphere into the organic forms like nitrites and nitrates, NO and NO2. This enrich is used by the plant. In example, as to our which they are freely without having any symbiotic association. Okay, so it's different from rhizobium because rhizobium is symbiotic association with the legume plant. So that means these rhizobium are free living. Azotobacter are the free, yet nitrogen in is to genus called Glomus. These fungi have a symbiotic relationship with system of higher plants. Type of symbiotic association is called myza. What micro association between or the higher plant fungi growing on the top of the root system. It can be top or it can be inside the root system. What they do, these fungi can stretch and its hyphae deep into the soil so that the capable of nutrients takes place by the help of the fungi. In return, plant provide a house to the house fungi too. So it's a kind of a association. Fungi and minerals will provide fungi. Plants have those benefits also, like what? Like resistance to root-borne pathogens. So diseases can be checked by this kind of. Not only that, tolerance to salinity association can high solvent would and also overall and very important how mycorrhiza help in plant growth and development. Okay, and the last one, that is Anabina, nostoc, and oscillatoria. All of them cyanobacteria, which we call blue green algae. So blue green algae are the bacterium which can able to fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, especially like examples paddy fields where it is bacteria biofertilizers. So what they do, organic matter, add the organic matter to the soil so that that is taken by plants to increase its fertility. Soil gets enriched with the nutrients. Those nutrients are taken by the plant body, especially the paddy or the rice plant. Here comes the last. Let's revise the last. How these microbes help in enriching the soil, not killing the pesticide, which we already heard in the previous lesson. Here the rhizobium have a symbiotic association with the legume plant, which can turn the atmospheric nitrogen into organic forms like NO2 so that plants can. Azospirillum, both of them are bacteria. Though they are free living, they can enrich the soil content. The fungi belonging to a genus called Glomus, where it is having a symbiotic association with the root system of higher plants, and that association is called mycorrhiza, where mycorrhiza not only absorb water but also it will help in the resistance to the root-borne pathogens, tolerance to drought conditions, also help in the overall development of the plant. Anabina, nostoc, and oscillatoria are three different types of bacterium belonging to cyanobacteria, or we can commonly call them and capable of nitrogen, and thus acting as a biofertilizer by increasing the fertility of the soil. So this is all about 10 point.